Here we have the 15 amp electric silent wood chipper and shredder by Sunjo. I wouldn't necessarily call it silent, but that's what it's called. Here are the parts laid out for you. Everything we need. We have the main body of the unit. We have the tires, the tire covers, the bag, the braces, the axle, and the tool pouch along with the nuts. We also have a plunger to help push the wood down that might get caught inside of the main unit. Let's put it together. First, you want to take the nuts off of the end of the axles as well as the spacers. Then we'll place the axle through the stand. The spacer comes next, and then the tire, and then we put the washer and then the nut. Screw it in, tighten it up with the tool you got. Voila. Ooh, it spins. It spins. Alright, now we'll do the other side. Repeat the same process. If you're getting value out of this video, please give us a like. Consider subscribing for future how-to and review videos. Ooh, it spins. Alright, nice. We've got our base all set and done. It rolls just like it should. Now we put these beautiful covers on. There's 2 pegs that go into 2 holes. You just put it in and push it, and it snaps right into place. It's as easy as that, folks. Do that to the other side. Oh yeah. Now we've got our main unit upside down. You see these 4 bolts that are sticking up that are connected internally. We just line up the holes in the base to the bolts in the body. And screw them on in. That's as simple as that. They make it really easy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try to use this tool for these, and I just realized it's going too slow. Went and got myself a 13mm socket to use with my ratchet. So much easier and faster. Wow, look at me go. The wrist dexterity there. It's amazing. Alright, now flip it back over. We have the insertion point, we have the counter plate which is covered, and we have the counter plate adjustment knob. That's where the wood comes out. The on and off switch, as well as the forward and reverse, just in case something gets stuck. Alright, there's the plug. That's where you plug your extension cord in, and a cord sleeve so that your cord does not continue to come unplugged. Then we have our plunger. That goes right in like that. We have our hooks here for the collection bag, and the collection bag just goes on like so on either side, right underneath the drop chute. Boom. Voila. We've got our tool, we've got our Allen wrench, and we didn't use that. What are we going to use that for? When you need to replace your counter plate. Now we have a 50-foot extension cord that, as you can see, it's 14 gauge, and that's important to have the right extension cord for this. Up to 50 feet, we use a 14 gauge. From 50 to 100 feet, you want to use a 12 gauge. Plug it in to a power source, plug it in, get it secure, and safety first. Now the counter plate you want to adjust so that you start to see some shavings. That's normal. Just a touch, and then you're ready to grind. Start off with a smaller branch. And then we've got the smaller stuff. You might have to use the plunger for the smaller stuff because it kind of gets stuck in there, but I still like to mulch it up. This thing basically works like a charm. Here's a bigger stick going in there. Nice and thick. You can see how it gets bigger towards the end there. It just kind of eats it right up. It does a great job. The maximum width is 1.5 inches. I found that the drier wood works better than wet wood can bind this up. So use dry wood for sure. Let it dry out for a while. Turn it off. All right, now look what we got here. Some nice, delicious, beautiful mulch. All right, let's go put that on the garden. There it is, my friends. The Sun Joe. Works like a charm. Enjoying every minute of it. Have a great day.